Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make an Instagram account. So for making an Instagram account, you must go to the Instagram web, or you can download Instagram app on your Android phone. So I've already downloaded one. I'm going to open this app. Now you can see I have already two accounts here. We need a different account, so I'm using the option of sign up. I will click sign up. Now you can see here they are asking me to connect with Facebook, but I'm not using my Facebook account. I'm using the sign up option with email or phone number. So we are clicking on it. Now you can see they have entered my number here, and I can use this number to create an account, or I can use my email to create an account. I'm using my phone number here. I'm pressing the next button. Okay. So now they are asking me to put my name here and a password. So my name is Osama Kiani, so I will place my name here, Osama Kiani. And after password, your process is complete, and you can just open your account that has been just created, and you can upload a profile picture and other things. Now I have already account, so I will open one of my accounts. You can set one tap login so that you don't have to fill in password again and again. So I've already created this account. Now you can see how your profile actually looks like. You can select any of the username. You can see the username I've used here. It's a blended.garments00. You can select any of your favorites. I have uploaded one pic here, and they are asking me to complete all these steps. Like, they have given me 5 steps for inviting friends, sharing photos and videos, exploring professional tools, and they are also saying me to complete my profile, like adding a bio. This is called the bio, and this is the name over here. This is the name, this is bio, and these are my followers, and these are the following person, those who I am actually following. And this is the tag I'm using, like shopping and retail, because this page is about shopping, clothes and other accessories. So I hope you are now quite clear with making an Instagram account. So meet you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at your home, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button.